I got too much green. Yeah. Way I've been making these moves for the team. I feel like the captain Kareem. Keep all that bullshit rap you got in the vault, it ain't helping your dream. Lock it up. Mainly I just smoke a lot, but I'm feeling down, so I might drink. And dude just got his chest shot. Think twice before you play with me. All of you hoes is replaceable. Go on. We gon' make it, just be patient, dude. They asking me why I don't go to school. Cause I just like to rap and I try to be cool. Yeah, I just like to rap and I try to be cool. She tryna top me, I told her to move. Just got done with my old bitch, I'm not in the mood. She stole her cat back when she used to say move. Now she with the devil and Cartier's too. Wish I could get me some Cartier lenses. You act like you know me, you not on my friend. When it comes to that money, I'm all about business. You say she gon' leave me, don't care about bitches. Nah. Don't care about bitches. Nah. Fuck all of you hoes, fuck 'em. Fuck all them hoes.